PD100C-100 by uscomponent.com. The PD100C-100, manufactured by SanRex, is a high-performance rectifier diode designed for industrial applications such as power supplies, converters, and motor drives. This diode offers low forward voltage drop and high current capacity, ensuring superior energy efficiency and optimal system performance. Its robust construction includes advanced thermal management features, providing reliable operation and longevity even in demanding environments. The PD100C-100 is easy to install and maintain, making it a cost-effective solution for high-power applications. Enhance your industrial systems with SanRex's PD100C-100 rectifier diode for improved efficiency, dependable operation, and exceptional performance across various industrial applications. Ready to buy PD100C-100? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.